Yo, what's up, guys? What's going on? Let's talk some JASMY. Check out the numbers before I head off to bed. 1 cent 696, down 3.5%, $837.50 million market cap. Volume has dropped down to 27.52 million. Surprisingly up one spot in rank, however. So Bitcoin is deciding to pull down even further. Guys, if you've been following the channel, you're well aware that I told you we could go down as far as 63K. Do I think we're going to? No, but we could. I think we're going to retest 67K on Bitcoin, which I said yesterday. And the video got a lot of views, actually. So that's where I think we're headed. We got to 68.1, close to 67. Could we still come down to 67? Possible, but that May 68.1 might have been enough. It might have been enough. Not guaranteed. Let's go have a look over at the chart, guys. See what's going on. All right, so we have officially double bottomed here, guys. Very, very nice. I've been calling for a potential double bottom for about 3 days now. We have officially double bottomed. Yes. So that is very good. That is very, very good. Next move would be back up to test this 30-day SMA, which we have rejected off of very, very violently multiple times. It got worse and worse. Here we rejected off, pretty big pullback. Here, pretty big pullback. It gets worse and worse. Look how far we got rejected off it here. We touched it twice, touched it twice, touched it once, touched it 3 times here, and violently pulled back again. This time, can we reload with Bitcoin and break through the 30-day SMA with some level of conviction? We'll have to wait and see. RSI has cooled down nicely, though, 38.42. If we are looking over at Bitcoin, let's go have a brief look at Bitcoin here before I get into the news. As you can see, we have set a higher low on Bitcoin as well, which is a very, very bullish thing. We are just 3 days away from the election, guys. It's going to be very interesting. Very interesting. So we have a double bottom on JASMY. We have a higher low set in on Bitcoin, which is fantastic news. Very bullish. All right, let's get into the news. See what's going on. So JASMY's price aims for next target of 35 cents, which could lead to reclaiming the altcoin's previous all-time high price. Bitcoin recently dipped from its sideways movement around 73,000 to its higher low of 69,000. As it attempts to reclaim its previous all-time high of 73,700, while some traders are frustrated by the pullback, more experienced traders are encouraged by Bitcoin's pattern of setting higher lows and higher highs, which I just outlined for you on the chart, inching closer to its past all-time high. Despite the recent dips, many analysts expect a major breakout for Bitcoin, where the pioneer crypto asset will likely shoot to hit new all-time highs in the coming months. In particular, the expectation for Bitcoin to hit new all-time highs in Q4 are especially high. These predictions go from a BTC high of 100,000 to 150,000. Additionally, some analysts expect a bull cycle peak BTC price of 220 to 550,000. This bullish expectation extends to altcoins as well. Specifically, several altcoins have already begun to pump in price. For instance, FET, Jupiter, and SUI have begun to hit new all-time highs, while others like ADA, SHIB, and XRP show strong indicators for potential gains, closely following Bitcoin's lead. As we can see from West Coast LA's post here, as we can from the post above, one altcoin in particular is being closely watched by many prominent crypto analysts. The asset known as the Bitcoin of Japan, JASMY, is showing many bullish indicators, from a cup and handle formation to strong support formations. If JASMY goes on to hold support, the altcoin will likely experience a potential breakout As the post above mentions, JASMY's price could reach 35 cents from its current price of 1 cent 7. According to CoinMarketCap Analytics, other analysts expect JASMY to reach previous all-time highs during the peak of this bull run. Now, what are my thoughts on it, guys? 35 cents, no problem. It's in the bag. Breaking through $4.99 in this bull run, not going to happen in my opinion. $1 to $1.50 is where I would have my targets set, not financial advice. You do you, boo-boo. But I think that's where it would roughly be conservatively. Let me know what you guys think, though. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, click the join button, guys, to join the community. Book your one-on-one coaching calls over on the Patreon, guys. If you need to sit down and you need to talk about crypto, what's going on in the market, price predictions on altcoins, you need help with taking profits, structuring your portfolio, exit strategies, cold storage, self-custody, taxes and tax implications, and everything else, guys, jump over to the Patreon and book a one-on-one with me. Let's sit down for an hour and have a conversation about it. We also do group video calls as well, where we talk about all those things and more, guys. A lot of very, very valuable information is dropped in those group chats. We drop gems. We do swing trades, guys. We actually just did a video over there today about a potential swing on a stock that's going to do very, very well. So jump over to the Patreon, guys. Check it out. The link is down below. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.